Alright guys, today we're doing something fun. We're giving the recycle bin a glow up. I'm going to show you how to change your recycle bin icon on Windows 11, and we're not using those boring default icons. I'm actually using minions today because they look hilarious on the desktop, and of course you can use PopCat minions, memes, whatever fits your vibe. So first, open your browser and search for PopCat or minions or any icon you want to use. If you want the exact ones I'm using, just DM me on Instagram and I'll send them to you. For this to work, you'll need two images, one for the full recycle bin and one for the empty bin, so make sure you save both. And if you have trouble saving images from a website, you can use the browser extension called Save Images as Type. It makes everything easier. Once you've saved your images, you'll need to convert them into ICO format because Windows doesn't accept PNG or JPG as icons. Just search for any online PNG to ICO converter, upload your images, convert them, and download the ISO files. It's totally free and super quick. If you want the icons to look cleaner, you can even remove the background using Photoshop, but that part is optional. Now let's change the icon. Just open your Windows settings, go to personalization, then themes, and inside there you'll see desktop icon settings. When that window pops up, click on the recycle bin full icon, choose change icon. Browse to your new ISO file and select it. Then do the same thing for the empty recycle bin icon. And that's it, you're done. Now when you delete something, the minion or PopCat you picked will switch between the empty and full version, and honestly it looks so cool on the desktop. If you want the exact icons I used, message me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.